Clip it and secure it. Easily tension ropes and lock down loads with the Figure 9 Carabiner rope tightener from Nite. In this video, you'll see 3 methods to use the versatile Figure 9 Carabiner. This first setup is perfect for easily clippable items, like tensioning tarps or securing items to vehicle anchor points. In this setup, start with one end of the line tied off to an anchor point. Now, clip the carabiner directly to another anchor point. Next, bring your cord around the back side of this hook and add as much tension as you need. Then hold the cord in place and wrap it around the back of the Figure 9 and through this notch to lock the tension. The second setup secures to itself, making it a great option for bundling and lashing items. Instead of anchoring the carabiner directly to a tie-off point, you can clip to a loop tied in the end of your cord. Now, just bring the cord through the hook and add your tension. Then wrap your cord around the back of the Figure 9 carabiner and secure it in this second notch. When you can't clip to an anchor point or you want to use the full length of your cord, you may want to lock off the Figure 9 in the middle of the cord. With one end tied to your first anchor, start by grabbing a loop of cord and passing it through the carabiner and then around the rest of the Figure 9 so that you end up like this. Next, grab the cord up here and pass it through the carabiner gate once more. This secures the carabiner on the line. Now, you can secure the other end of the line the same as you did before. Bring the cord up behind this notch and tension the line. Then wrap the cord around the back and bring it through the notch to secure it. It's that easy. There's no need to learn difficult knots when you have the Figure 9 carabiner from Nite.